Avoid these critical investing mistakes. In the world of investing, knowledge is power. Avoiding common pitfalls can be the key to your financial success. Firstly, diving in without a plan is like setting sail in a storm. Know your destination and chart your course. Ignoring the importance of diversification is another blunder. Putting all your eggs in one basket can lead to disaster. Failing to understand the fees associated with investing can eat into your returns. Always read the fine print. Overlooking the impact of taxes on investment gains can leave you with less than you anticipated. Plan wisely. Chasing after high returns without considering the risks involved is akin to gambling. Balance is essential. Neglecting to regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio can lead to missed opportunities and unnecessary exposure to risk. Finally, letting emotions drive your investment decisions often results in regret. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan.